Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Tisha. I'm back at you with another video. In this video, we're going to do the unboxing for the May Ice Cream Beauty box. This is the card for May. The theme is Cyber Garden. First thing I'm pulling out is the palette. It was a choice. This was a choice item. It was this one in between the other palette, which is called Power. This is $33. I got Virtual, which is more colorful. And it looks like this. You got two duochrome, which is this one and this one. Come with a shade saver, which is a good thing. Nothing's broken. So I'm gonna do a hot line. Oh. Offline. Hot line, offline. This duochrome vice. This duochrome glitch. So glitch is here. Oh, I like that. Hot line. Offline, and Vice. This last one I was watching. Another dog one. Oh, look at that. Oh, so pretty. Again, that was $33. You had this was a choice item between this one and Power, which is more a grungy type of palettes, and I'm more into colorful looks, so I got a Virtual because it fits my makeup style more than the other palette. Next up is something I'm excited for. I never tried anything from this brand. I'm excited. This is a lip pencil from Gerard Cosmetic in the shade Bel Air. This is $16. Some double swatch. Oh, I definitely think I'm gonna like that. That's the shade here. This color was chosen by the owner of Gerard's Cosmetic herself, and we're so glad she picked it. It's perfect for any looks and is a universal flattering. These liners are so creamy that they can be used all over your lips as well, not just to line your lips. So I'm super excited to try this because I've never tried anything from this brand. I've been hearing good things about this brand, so I'm excited. Look that. Next up is the Liquid Duochrome Eyeshadow by Cantico Beauty. We've been getting a lot from this brand and I've really been liking it. This is $19. Okay. This packaging is really pretty. This says we are including extra liquid duochrome shadows to help complete the eye look for both palettes. This can be used as a highlight on the inner corner and brow bone or as an eyeshadow topper. It looks absolutely stunning all over almost any matte shades. So excited. That was $19. The lip liner was $16 and the palette is $33 so far. Next up is the 3D Rose Blusher, which is $30. This has been all over TikTok. It says this blush has been all over TikTok. You can use a finger flat brush to pick it up. So I'm just gonna take my finger and go into the middle. That's the color I got. Oh, that's really pretty. I'm super excited and I cannot wait to try this. I have been seeing these all over TikTok. So I probably, yeah, super cute. That is $30. Next up, and the last thing in our box is the High Pigment Gloss by Beauty for Certain. This is so pretty. Beauty for Certain is a brand created by rapper artist Bia, best known for her song Whole Lot of Money from her For Certain album. This lip gloss is hydrating, non-sticky, long-lasting, lightly plumping. It's giving your lips extra shine with a smooth finish that you can build up to desired intensity. And my shade I got is Flamingo. It's in the shade Flamingo. It's a pretty pink color. Oh. Don't mind the sparkle, y'all. That's from that eyeshadow. But look at that color. So gorgeous. This is $22. Let's recap from this box. We got lip gloss, $22. Lip liner, which I love to do a lip liner and lip gloss combo. That's what's actually on my lip right now. Gerard lip pencil, $16, and Bel Air. The eyeshadow, liquid duochrome eyeshadow is $19. The palette is $33. And the blush is $30. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Super excited to try these. That all comes up to $120, and I only paid $25 for the box. That is it. Let's say what's on my face. I also, on my face for my eyeshadow is the St. Angel Center Cosmetics an ice cream beauty box palette that we got. These are shades. I used Honey Bunch. I used Popsicle. I used Sugar. I did purple and blue. Highlighter I use is from Believe Beauty. It's a radiant finish highlighter in pink pearls. I got this from the dollar store, and I absolutely love this highlighter. Lip combo is this brown lip liner from Appeal Cosmetics, and it was Deep Taupe, I believe. But I use this for so long, so I'm glad to have another lip liner. This is my go-to lip liner, and this is the gloss I have on from yeah, this is the gloss, the lip combo lip liner gloss. I got this Ala Colors eyeliner on my waterline. This is the foundation. I'm using the AOA Studio Pro Wear Full Coverage Foundation. I got this brow gel going on here. This setting spray I got from Temu. I've been using. Mascara is the Maybelline New York Sky High Lash Sensation Sky High one, and Black is Black. I use this concealer from AOA as a eye primer. Then blush I have on the Basic Beauty blush. I mixed these two shades. As you can see, I hit pan these two shades together. So that is it for May Ice Cream Beauty Box and what's on my face. So come back for a try on when I upload it of everything from this month's box. Like, I'm super excited to try these. So I will catch y'all in my next video. Mwah.